Hey y'all, it's Victoria Armonie. I'm back with a new video and a bare face. As you can see, I am coming to you with a new video today. I'm going to come to you with a trying all new makeup tutorial. So I have like all this different kind of new makeup today. I have a new foundation, I have a new primer, new moisturizer, concealer, new brushes and some palettes and all kind of other stuff. So if you want to see what I come up with and what new products I got in this video, just keep watching. So my new moisturizer that I have is the Clinique Moisture Surge 72-Hour Moisturizer. Right off the bat, it is lightweight. And I do have oily skin, so I want to see how this is gonna feel. So I got something new to work with on my eyebrows. Usually I'm a pencil girl, but I did get the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Balm Pomade in the color Ebony. So I'm gonna try that out and see how I like it. It is a darker color than I usually get. I always used to get dark brown, but I'm gonna see how I like it. This is dark, y'all. Like, oh my god. And I barely put anything on the brush. Like, I think I'm gonna keep it. I kind of like it. It's cute. The darkness kind of like scared me in a way. So I wasn't really expecting that. The brows are on. I'm gonna go in with my new concealer that I got. It is the NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer. I have never tried this concealer, but I have heard like a lot of good things about it. I'm gonna use it to conceal my eyebrows. The shade I got is in medium dark hazelnut. So I'm gonna take just a little bit on the back of my hand. This is how it looks. So it's like a yellowy color, brown color. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on the back of my hand and use my Morphe M421 brush to conceal the bottom part of my eyebrows only. So I have one eyebrow concealed, and I will tell you this concealer is like extremely creamy. I don't want to get anything too light for my skin tone. I want to get something that will look kind of almost natural, not like a really bright highlight under my brow or under my eye. But I do feel like this concealer is a good match. It is a great color that I'm looking for, and it's super pretty and super creamy. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other eyebrow. So now I'm going to take my NARS concealer and put some on my lid to prep for shadows. So now I'm moving on to eyeshadows, and I have two new eyeshadow palettes. I have the Juvia's Place Afrique eyeshadow palette, and the second palette that I have is the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill collaboration palette. This here is the Vault Dark Magic eyeshadow palette here. I guess we'll just see what I come up with. I'm gonna go in with my Afrique palette here first. I'm gonna go into this green shadow, which really caught my eye. It's like a super pretty green color. I'm just so happy for fall. And there's an airplane. Perks of living next to an airport. Who's flying at 10:50 at night anyway? So I'm gonna take my Morphe M433 brush, go into this color called Najir, which is a pretty green shade. Put that all in my crease. Now I'm going to take just a clean brush. I'm using the Essence Eye Blender brush. So now I'm going with the Morphe palette here. I'm going to take the shade Potion, which is the olive green up here. I'm going to take my Morphe M330 brush. And I'm going to put this shade probably below this green. Like on it, but not covering it, but not on my lid, right in the middle, in the direct crease. Now I'm going to take this Essential Crease brush by Real Techniques here, and I'm going to go into the darker green shade called Inside Job. Where is it? Here. I'm going to take that shade and put it on the outer and the inner portions of my eye so I can do a halo eye. But I cut the crease with the 70 Slow that I used to clean up my brows. I did it in the middle, and then I went in the same Morphe palette and I used the shade Divergent here first on this eye, and I like how it looks, but I think it needs a little bit more shine, so I'm gonna see what I can do with that. But let's go ahead and move on to the second eye. So I'm gonna go in with Power Cut, which is a silver color here in the middle. Yeah, this shade here. And I'm gonna put that right in the center of Diversion and see how that looks. Woo. Can you see that? Yes, sis. So yes, this is what I'm doing. Like, that's hot. That's hot. Back in the Morphe palette, and I'm gonna use the shade Mojo and Temperance, which is this dark brown shade here and a matte black there, and I'm gonna smoke out the lash line. So now I'm gonna use my Old Faithful mascara. I didn't get a chance to pick out a mascara because I actually kind of forgot about picking a new mascara, but I'm going to use my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara and coat my top lashes. I have a new primer that I'm trying out. I have the NYX Angel Veil primer, the skin protector. Let's see how this feels and looks on my skin. It is a very thick consistency, but let's see where it takes us. Okay, so It is very smooth. Oh my God. It's really smooth. It isn't drying how I expected it would be. It feels super nice on the skin. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my foundation now. I got a new foundation. I'm gonna try out the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I am in the color Tiramisu. I tested it out in Ulta when I got it. I used a tester and I put it on my hand, put it on my face, and it looked, you know, like my skin tone. I mean, it looked okay. So, I'm about to see. We're about to see. We're about to see. We about to see. So the foundation looks kind of orange. I thought it was more yellow in the store, but those lights are kind of deceiving in Ulta. So now that I have like some bright light, I can see that the shade is not really my shade. It is a little bit more orange than I want. So I'll see how it looks after I highlight and contour and see if the shade looks a little bit better, because that way I can go ahead and keep it instead of trying to find another shade that maybe my shade but won't be my shade when I get home and all that other crazy stuff. I'm just gonna see how it looks once I highlight and contour. So I'm gonna use the NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer that I just got in the shade Medium Dark Hazelnut and see how this looks on my skin. And I'm going to take the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in 380 Espresso. I'm going to use this shade to contour. I'm going to use very little because this is a really dark shade. I can't find my second darkest shade that I usually use, so I'm going to use just a little bit of this. Concealer and all the other places that I highlighted using my Derma Blend powder. I've had this powder for about a month, so it's not really like new, but it's newer to me because all I've ever used doing makeup basically was either the Sacha Buttercup powder or the Laura Mercier. That was it. So this powder is still a little new to me, but I do like it. So back in with my Juvia's Place palette in Afrique. I'm gonna take two of the shades in here. I'm gonna take Angelique and Coffee here and here, and I'm gonna use those two colors to put in my tear duct. Now I'm gonna take my Laura Mercier powder in medium deep, and I'm gonna take that with a Real Techniques brush, and I'm gonna just sweep off the powder that's under my eyes, just so that I won't get any flashback whatsoever under my eyes. I'm gonna take the same brush and go in with my Morphe Bronzer and Showman's and go ahead and contour. my Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Kit ingredient. And I'm going to take the color Chocolate, which is the shade here. It's like a brownish, almost a little rosy hint to it. I'm going to take that and blush my cheeks with it. I don't want to use anything that's going to overpower the look, basically. I'm going to use something really pretty, soft. Now I'm going to take a Real Technique setting brush, and I'm just going to blend away the translucent powder that's underneath our contour. And as far as highlight, I'm going to use the Morphe highlight and contour palette in the 8H. I'm going to take a highlighter out of here. I don't know which one I'm going to use yet. So I'm just really going to pick one because I don't know. I'm just going to turn away. Pick one. Okay. That's the one I'm using. I'm using Beam. It's kind of light for me, but we'll see. I'm going to go on with the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Abu Dhabi. I've never tried this before, but it looks like a super cute peachy nude. So I just want to go ahead and try it out and see how it looks. I definitely should have exfoliated my lips because my lips are crusty and dusty. Like, sis, what's going on? So, whatever. Too late. So, final thoughts. First of all, can we get into this look? Like, I think this is cute. Like, it's cute. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's like, bro, these planes though, like, okay, anyway. So yeah, like, I really like this look. I think it's super cute, and I think it's super smoky, and it's kind of out there. Like, don't get me wrong, I wouldn't wear this every single day. I don't even wear makeup every single day, but hey. Like, this is really, really cute. I feel like it's different. It's like it's going out makeup, you know what I'm saying? Like, fall makeup. Like, we getting ready for the fall. What's already fall? Like, we're getting ready for the leaves. We're getting ready for the chilly weather, the jackets, everything. We're getting ready for that. Like, this look is popping. Like, I like it. I like the greens, like the smokiness. I like the different, like, I like it. I like the different blush. I like how the look came together. So yeah, so that's all I have for you guys today. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Give me a comment if you want to. Make sure that you subscribe. And while you're at it, try to leave a comment down below and tell me what you want to see next. If you want to see something else, if you want to see some colorful looks, some glitter looks, some smoky looks, what do you want to see me do, sis? Let me know, and I can go ahead and get those videos rolling out for y'all. But until then, bye.